Hey folks, Roby here with another Divi tutorial brought to you by the Divi Engine team. In this tutorial series, we're looking at how to undivify your Divi sites by fixing those dead giveaways that your site was built with Divi. Now, last time we showed you how to build out this awesome custom global footer, and I mentioned that we'll be circling back, so here we are. Outdated footers are a dead giveaway that your site was built with a builder like Divi. Not only that, outdated footers can also affect the credibility of your site, and that ends up hitting the bottom line because people are reluctant to purchase or use your services. Now today, we will show you how to fix this by adding some dynamic content to our footer, and that now and forever it will automatically update and you will not have to do it manually ever again. So let's jump right to it. Okay, so as usual, we're going to kick it off here in the back end of our Divi site. And for this one, we're going to go back to the theme builder. So we go to Divi Theme Builder, and we've got our global footer here from last time. I'm going to open up that one. And then we have our footer right here. Now, here is the text I want to change. So let's go ahead and edit this text right here. Now I'm going to copy or actually cut this text out. And now here's the thing that you'll see in some fields in Divi. Now this can work for images. There's a lot of different spots where you'll notice this dynamic content button. It kind of looks like that data layer with a plus. When I click on that, you see all the options you have available in here. And there are a lot of options as they relate to different elements in Divi and WordPress installs in general. Now, of course, we're going to be interested in the current date here. And now we can specify text that goes before and after the dynamic content, which is pretty cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste that previous text in there. And then I'm going to delete the date out. And I'm going to select that last part because we just want it to say copyright at the beginning. And you can kind of see how it's updating here as we go. Now after, well, maybe we want to say copyright 2018 if your business was established years ago. And then we're going to put that after text, the all rights reserved part. But now you notice how it scooches it right up on the date there. Just go here and you're going to add extra space and you'll see that it gives it enough room there. You know, even if you want to, you can put a period there so that it kind of splits it up. And the date's not quite in the format that we are used to and that we want. So you can go and select one of the preset options here, but I'm going to go with custom. Now, there are two ways we can do this. You can put a lowercase y, and you'll see that it adds just to 22. And if you add a uppercase y, it'll go 2022. So that's really up to you which one you prefer. But that is how quickly and easily you can add this dynamic date to your footer. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then here on the front end, I am going to refresh my page. And there you go. We've got our dynamic date in our footer there. Now you can use this, as I said before, in different capacities. And I'll show you one more way really quickly that is just to show you the broad ways this can be used. So I'm going to put an image in here, right? And I am going to delete the placeholder. And now you see that familiar little dynamic content. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to say, well, I want to put the site logo down there. And that's how easy it is to use dynamic content throughout your site. So if you have content that's repeated in places, this is a really great way to kind of save yourself some time, because now if I change my logo in the Divi settings, this will of course automatically update. So like if you have the logo refresh for your business or whatever you might have going on, this is a time saver. So guys, if you enjoy the content, definitely go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel and keep following us on this journey that we are going to show you how to utilize the Divi theme to its full potential. And that's really it, man. So that was me, Roby, with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.